Time now for our call of the day, and Wall Street has some positive vibes for Nvidia as it continues its second day of the GTC conference. CEO Jensen Huang revealed the company's newest and most powerful chip, saying it will cost between $30,000 to $40,000. Management has hinted that there's more products in the pipeline for 2024. And Josh, all that hype has translated to a lot of these banks, Wall Street firms raising their price targets across the board. We have Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo, Morgan Stanley, JPMorgan, all upping those PTs on the stock. Bernstein even quoted the one and only Taylor Swift, or at least referenced Taylor Swift, writing, quote, "Move over, Taylor. You're not the only one that can sell out a stadium." And a lot of these analyst notes, just parsing through them, they really focused on the rollout of Blackwell and how this chip is ultimately unmatched. The competitive angle is another one I noticed. There's just no competitor currently on the market that can even seem to match Nvidia's cadence. And obviously the AI hype that we've been hearing about over and over again, just a continued story here.
Yeah, I mean, this stock has been such a monster. I mean, interesting kind of, we were talking off camera about kind of the price action. It was in the red, now reversing course. Now it's kind of back to the flat line. Competing headlines, maybe having some play there, but of course also pull back the chart, up about 80% already this year. Wall Street loves this name. I mean, they continue to. Nearly 90% of analysts think you should buy Nvidia even at these levels. I mean, you rarely see that kind of optimism, Allie, on the street. I think one kind of theme in the notes was what Jensen Huang was saying on stage. He was kind of pounding home this theme that, listen, we are a chip giant, but we're a lot more than that. He was kind of focusing on the software and networking, making this argument, I think, that, listen, we are a platform, right? And bulls love that. And you saw that through the notes today. Some analysts saying, listen, they looked at an ecosystem and they argued it's just unmatched in this point and kind of hard to stand against. You mentioned Bernstein's Stacey Rasgon. That's what he was talking about when he reiterated that outperform rating. His target's still 1,000.
Yeah, ecosystem really a big focus here. Chips, software, networking, that's all increasingly important to investors. So I think it's just a continued story that we'll have to be watching.